What is inside the American Museum of Natural History Planetarium? If you have ever wondered what wonders await inside the American Museum of Natural History's planetarium, you are in for a treat. The planetarium, known as the Hayden Planetarium, is a stunning space dedicated to the cosmos. It is located within the Rose Center for Earth and Space, which features a striking architectural design. The building includes a large glowing sphere that seems to float, creating a captivating entrance for visitors. Inside the Hayden Planetarium, you will find a 67-foot diameter dome screen. This dome creates a fully immersive experience, showcasing high-resolution full-dome video presentations about space and the universe. One of the highlights is the Star Theater. This theater uses a specialized Zeiss Star Projector system to recreate an accurate night sky as seen from Earth. Visitors can enjoy vibrant galaxies, star clusters, and planets like Mars, Venus, and Jupiter, all projected with remarkable clarity. Another fascinating feature of the planetarium is the Big Bang Theater. Located in the lower half of the Hayden Sphere, this theater presents a 4-minute film narrated by Liam Neeson. The film depicts the birth of the universe and serves as a dramatic introduction to the cosmic timeline. Surrounding the sphere is the Heilbrun Cosmic Pathway. This spiral walkway connects different floors of the Rose Center and offers a timeline of the universe's history. It illustrates the journey from the Big Bang to the present, highlighting the scale of the observable universe and humanity's connection to it. The planetarium also hosts regularly updated space shows. Recent productions have been narrated by notable figures like Pedro Pascal. These shows map our sun's journey through the Milky Way and showcase the latest astronomical research combined with artistic visualization. Visitors to the Hayden Planetarium can expect an educational experience that combines cutting-edge technology with engaging storytelling. It is a cultural and scientific landmark in New York City, reflecting the city's role as a hub for education and exploration of natural history and space science. Whether you are a science enthusiast or just curious about the universe, the Hayden Planetarium offers a captivating experience that brings the cosmos to life right in the heart of New York City.